Sending documents for signing just got a lot easier, and now with Optix automations, you can instantly send customized, branded documents for signing the moment a user signs up. Let's explore how it's done. First, we'll head into automations and click Add Automation. Next, we are going to choose our trigger. For this walkthrough, we will select New Plan Added, which is ideal for automatically sending the document when someone signs up for a plan. In this case, we will be choosing the full-time membership plan. Next, we will choose the action, which in this case, of course, is going to be to send the document for signing. Start by giving your document a clear name, for example, membership agreement. To stay organized, you can include dynamic fields like the user's first name and even the plan start date. Now we're going to upload our PDF. It's best to use a version without pre-built initials or signatures in the document because Optix is going to handle this for you. You do have the option here of adding the plan terms into the document. So these are the terms that you've included on that specific plan template. We'll show you what that looks like in a bit. Then choose whether an admin should also sign. You can select a specific admin or have the primary admin sign by default. You'll also decide who the document should go to, the account holder paying for the plan or the one enrolled in the automation. Once everything looks good, name your automation something like document signing and click and set live. Let's take a look at what this is going to look like from the user's perspective when they receive that document. Meet Katie. We are going to add a full-time member plan to her account and we're going to start that plan. Katie receives a branded email letting her know she's been invited to sign a document. She clicks review and sign and is taken to a secure signing experience. At the top, she sees the membership agreement summary, including the plan details and cost. Below that is the PDF we uploaded, now seamlessly included as part of the document. In the terms we selected, like the plan details, are auto-filled into the agreement. At the bottom, Katie is prompted to sign. She clicks Next, adds her signature, then selects Sign and Complete. Once signed, Katie can download a copy or receive one via email. And just like that, the document is signed, stored, and shared, all without manual intervention.